Use a roofing-specific asphalt-compatible sealant rather than a general silicone or household product. For repairs on asphalt shingle roofs, choose a polymer-modified asphalt roof cement or a roof-grade butyl or polyurethane sealant that explicitly states compatibility with asphalt shingles. Look for products labeled for roofing, flashing, and shingle repairs, and read the technical datasheet to confirm temperature range and adhesion to asphalt substrates. Apply when the shingles are dry and the ambient temperature is within the product's recommended range, typically above 40 degrees Fahrenheit for many asphalt-based cements, and follow manufacturer curing times before exposure to water. Clean the area of loose granules and debris and lift shingle tabs gently with a flat tool to force the sealant under edges when sealing uplifted tabs or nail heads. Press down and dress excess sealant so water sheds off the shingle surface. For small punctures, use a narrow bead of roofing caulk, and for larger voids or torn shingle tabs, use a trowel-grade roof cement to bed a patch shingle or to dress seams. Avoid paints or general-purpose silicone or acrylic sealants that do not bond chemically to asphalt and can cause accelerated weathering. If unsure, test a small hidden area or consult the shingle manufacturer recommendation. The three most common mistakes are using silicone or household caulk that does not adhere to asphalt, which then peels and speeds shingle breakdown, applying sealant on wet or cold shingles, which prevents proper cure and bond, and overusing sealant as a bandage over widespread shingle deterioration rather than replacing damaged shingles. If silicone has been used, remove it and replace with a compatible asphalt roof cement or polyurethane designed for roofing. Wait for dry, warm conditions and follow the product cure window to ensure a reliable bond and avoid temporary fixes. For large areas of aged or heavily granulated shingles, replace the affected shingles rather than relying on sealant to extend life. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors for roofing and other home repairs, and it hosts a discussion community where owners and professionals share experiences and product tips. We connect contractors looking for work with homeowners seeking solutions while giving both parties a place to ask questions and learn from real project feedback.